flags notes. So the lenders are supposed to be providing their comments, right, as to why they got this flag. Review response. So this is where you can click view and edit, and this is where you can type in your comments. So as a reviewer, so you can type it in here. You can click these, bottom navigation buttons to go, to the next one, go backward, and things like that. Now here's one feature that I like to show you. Okay, so this is a little bit of a demo. Okay, this one, for some reason, this warning flags, you got 151 warning flags, right? There's a lot of these. Now, if you're going to type in, okay, that's fine, or how we accept your explanation to every single one of them, it will be kind of a pain, right? To kind of click this and type in here and go through every single one. So we did build in a feature where you can do that rather quickly. So I wanted to show that to you. It's called copy and paste feature. Okay. So for the flag section, you notice a little icon over here. When you click on that, you're presented with two options. Okay, copy data out, paste data in. So let me show you what that does. So, okay, I'm gonna first choose copy data out. Okay, it's gonna give me a notification that I did that right successfully. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up an Excel file. Okay, just a blank Excel file. Okay, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna paste. So Control V. And what that does is it just pasted in all this information, okay, into an Excel file in this format. So columns and rows. So here, you see HUD review response, right? It's this one. So what I'm gonna do is, I kind of did this previously, but let's say all of this was blank, right? But let's say your answer is the same. So I'm just gonna expand the columns a little bit. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna go over here to where I'm supposed to be typing my answers, and if I have the same answer to most or all of those comments, I'm just gonna copy and paste, right, all of these in one shot. So that's kind of what I did in my previous demo. So let's say all of this was blank, right? But let's say I'm gonna type something, so not okay, because I want to return it. And let's say I'm gonna say not okay to every single flag. Okay, so I just did that in a couple of seconds. And then here, then what I'll do is I'll go back and copy that. Okay, I just selected it all. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. Then I'm gonna jump back over here, okay, to CNA equal 3.0, and I'm gonna now select paste data in. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna say allow. Now when I did that, it just typed in all of my answers straight into the 3.0. Okay, all the way down. And I'm gonna click submit. So then what that did is basically I just typed in my answer, okay, my review comment to over 100 flag notes all in one shot. So yeah, so it's just an easier way of editing when you have to edit a lot of information all at the same time.
What happens if you accidentally change one of the fields in that spreadsheet other than the response you're trying to write? Will it paste it back in, or will it filter out stuff that you're not allowed to change?
Yeah, actually, let's try that. So that is kind of one of the more sophisticated feature that we're building for this functionality. So I'm gonna paste this in. Okay, but let's say I messed up and I deleted this one of the columns. Okay, that's mandatory. That's required. So what it's supposed to do is catch that when you try to paste that in. That, jump back in here, hold strong button, paste data in. So it catches it for me. It says column 5. Okay, there's something wrong with this column, meaning I'm missing, right, one of the required column information. information, so it won't even let me submit. So knowing that, okay, noticing that, I'll go back to my spreadsheet and look at it and go, oh, whoops, I totally messed up. I deleted this by mistake. So I'll go ahead and fix that and then copy and paste back in here.